Hi, I'm Jackson Sisk, and welcome to Eaton's educational series on low voltage power equipment. Today, I'm going to tell you about the 5 key benefits of utilizing Busway versus typical cable and conduit systems. First is the ease of installation. Since Busway is a specific build to each customer, you can save over 60% in labor in installing the Busway. Second is cost savings. Because it's easier to install, you'll be able to save much more money, even thousands of dollars, installing Busway instead of traditional cable and conduit systems. Next is compact. With our cross-sectional design, Busway takes much less space than traditional cable and conduit systems. Fourth, Busway is environmentally friendly. Because Busway is reusable, reroutable, and expandable, you will waste much less material utilizing Busway instead of typical cable and conduit systems. And last, but certainly not least, is Busway is a very safe application. It's enclosed in an unventilated housing that creates the greatest short circuit rating in the market, making it a very safe option for power distribution. All of this and more can be found at eaton.com/Busway.